Check this out, Volkswagen Rabbit, no start. Jam steering and the ignition cylinder is seized.
Welcome to Gumera's Garage. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing so we can grow this channel and help more people. Thank you for your support.
Alright, so to remove the airbags, what we're going to do, we're gonna go to the side of the steering wheel at the back, and you will see this hole here, and you just have to pry it out. Alright, that's off right now. As you can see, the airbag is off. Now we're gonna take the tab here. Pull the tab out, and that's it. So now we're gonna take the steering. Need a tool for this. So there's two tabs here that you have to push, this side and this side, the back side. Make sure the key is on the ignition, then you can pull this out. Sorry about the, it's night time, I'm working on this, that's why. I'm outside too, so not in the garage because the car won't start. So just to show you, this one here, this is the original key. It would not move at all. You can remove it, but nothing happens. But compared to the new one, so this is brand new. Even the antenna and the key itself here, key cylinder itself here is brand new, as you can see. Right, you can start it, and then you can take it out and then remove it. You see the lock here for the steering? As soon as I put the key and turn the ignition, it comes down, right? And then you can start. And then you let go, you just turn off the engine, and then if you take off the key, it will release. So that's how it should work. But on the broken ones, put the key in, crank it, nothing happens, right? It won't even, something is blocking it, right? As you can see there. And if I remove the key, nothing happens also. So this is the problem with this one. So this particular cylinder, there's two parts: the cylinder for the key itself, and the whole cylinder for the ignition. We actually ordered both of this separately, so that's for that. Okay, so now I'm putting it back to the plastic. Make sure it's in the middle here. Just gonna insert it like that. Be careful with the wire here. Then you just have to push down until they click. Yeah, so that's how it should look like. So now it's not, can't remove it, so that should be, and now this goes to the steering back. Alright, you might find this one was loose, and you might find that you don't know where it is. This should go here. See this thing point out into the cylinder, this nozzle here inside the cylinder. There we go. It should go there and locked. There you go. See that there's a lock there. Make sure it's locked, and that's it. That's what it is. So now I'm gonna slide this thing in here. Oh, before you slide this thing, make sure the pin is gonna goes in first. So we're gonna put the key. And put the lock in like there, then slide this in like so, and then at this point you can put your screws in here. So my screw, the size of the screw, if you might ask, it's M8 1.25. okay, it's the M8 1.25 thread. So yeah, and then I choose this Allen key head instead of a bolt, hex bolt. So because just for me it's easier to use the Allen key. And also don't forget to put the washers. Got washer here. So here it is. Let's see if you can see this. There. Right. So that's where the bolt. So now the bolt is tight. As you can see if we can remove the key. There you go. Start, remove, start, remove. Next is the signal light control. Push it and then lock it. There you go. Okay, so quick tip before you put this wiper control, make sure you put the transponder wire here first. There you go. Then you can put the wiper here. So now I'm gonna put the wiper control. Just slide and then lock it. There you go. So next, this module here, just go straight there. Not sure it's supposed to be. Not sure if it's supposed to lock, but it should be that. That's it. And then now you can put the steering lock here. There you go. And make sure that this clip here, you clip properly. There you go. You can see, you can hear it. There. It shouldn't go anywhere. And that's that. Right, so once you put the screw here and everything is in place, now you should be ready to put this back underneath. Alright, so you should flush like that. So now we're ready to put the steering wheel. With the steering wheel, you have the marking here, and you have a marking on the steering, on the steering itself, right there. So you just align it there. Yeah, that's about right. So it's right there with the bolt. So the bolt is tight. Now we're gonna have to put the airbag. So the airbag is no screws or anything, it's just a clip. Just push it there and it will lock itself. There you go. So that's it. At this point, we should be able to start the car. And let's do it. Alright, moment of truth. I didn't put the cover yet, just to try this out. Now we're starting.